Good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, today we are going to do one activity. Are you all ready for that? Yes. So let's begin. Before I start children, there are few ingredients, materials which we require for this activity, right? We require one glass or plastic bowl, right? Filled with water. You can use this type of plastic bowl also. You can use mug, you can use tumbler, right? Then there are few materials which we require. That is, we require a plastic bottle cap. We require eraser. We will require coin, key, and pencil shavings. Okay, and one cloth for wiping purpose, and oil also. Okay, children. So now, what we are going to do? First of all, we are going to take this water. You can take tap water. You can whichever water is available. You can take, okay, fill this bowl with water. Now children, one by one we are going to drop these things which I have shown it to you right now. So first of all, I will drop this plastic cap, then I'll drop this eraser, then I'll use this coin, then I'm going to drop this key. Now I'm going to throw this over here, right? Pencil shavings. If you require, you can add more pencil shavings also. Right? And then few drops of oil. Okay. So children, what you have seen over here, that when I have dropped all these things, few things they just got sink inside the water, right? While few things they were just able to float on the water. So children, there are two terms. One is float, second is sink. So the things which gets sink inside the water, they are called as these are the objects which are going to, we will call as floating objects, while there were objects when we have dropped them, they were just going to float. So they will just float on water, like pencil shavings, then plastic bottle cap, oil. These things were floating on water, while key, coin and eraser, they just got sink in the water. So children, you have ever thought why it is so? So what is the difference, children? The things which are heavy in weight, this thing is related to weight. The things which are heavy in weight, they are going to sink in water, while the things which are going to be light in weight, they are going to float on water. So children, you can easily see the difference between the objects that were floating and the objects which got sink. Okay children, I hope this is clear to you all. One more thing children, you must have seen the oil droplets also. So remember one thing, whether are you going to use two liquids, right? But oil is the one which is not going to sink in water, it is going to float on water. Okay children, I hope this simple activity you have understood and you are able to understand the difference between the things which float and the things which sink. What is the difference between them, that also we have seen. This concept is totally related to the weight. If the weight of an object is more, that thing is going to sink in water. While the objects, the things which are going to be light in weight, it is going to float on water. I hope it is clear to you all, and I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.